Good morning, students. Today I will teach about course of the war. Okay, the two varying kingdoms central powers. Thus, this is the first course of the war. The varying nations were divided into two. The central powers consisted of Germany, Austria, Hungary, Turkey, and Bulgaria. Italy, which was earlier with Germany and Austria, had left as her attempt to recover Trentino. Okay, these are the first course of the war. Next, allies. 9 states that opposed the central powers were Russia, France, Britain, Italy, the United States, Belgium, Serbia, Romania, and Greece. Romania and Greece declared war on the Central Powers in 1916 and 1917, respectively, but played little part in the war. Okay? Next, Charles Apative attempts for peace. Tsar Nicholas II of Russia succeeded to the powers that they meet together to bring about an era of universal peace. In response, two peace conferences were held at The Hague in Holland in 1899 and 1907, but in vain. Russia fought on the side of the Allies. Okay. Next, war in Western or French front. Germany steamrolled and smashed the resistance of the people of Belgium. On the side of the Allies, the burden of the fighting fell on the French army. Within a month, Paris seemed almost doomed. Okay. The next, the battles of Danenberg and Marne. Meanwhile, Russian forces invaded East Prussia. Germany defeated them decisively. In the Battle of Danenberg, Russia suffered heavy losses. Okay. Then, Battle of Verdun between February and July 1916. The Germans attacked Verdun, the famous fortress in the French line. In the 5-month Battle of Verdun, 2 million men took part and half of them were killed. Okay. Next, war in Eastern or Russian front. In the Eastern front, Russian troops repeatedly defeated the Austrians, but the Russians were in turn defeated by the Germans. Russia had the worst trained and equipped army, and therefore Russian losses were the greatest. Okay, then minor theaters of war in the Middle East. Turkey also fought on the side of the Central Powers, though Turkey met with initial success and the Allies suffered reverses, particularly in Mesopotamia and Gallipoli. Ultimately, Turkey was defeated. Okay. Then, in the Far East, China also joined the Allies. Japan was able to capture the province of Kyakyuan by the Germans to China. Okay. Then, in the Balkans, the Austro-German army in coordination with Bulgaria crushed Serbia. Serbia came under German rule. Okay, next, FATA, colonies of Germany in Africa. The German colonies in Western and Eastern Africa were also attacked by the Allies. Okay, next, Italy falls to Austrian onslaught. Okay, Italy formally joined the Allies in the war in May 1916. Italians were fighting with the Austrians. Okay, next, Central Powers victories. The Central Powers successfully occupied Belgium and a part of France in the northeast Poland, Serbia, and Romania. Okay? Then, naval battles and America's entry into the war. Lusitania, an American ship, was torpedoed by a German submarine. There was a lot of resentment in the USA, and President Wilson declared war against Germany in April 1917. America's entry with its enormous resources made Allied victory a foregone conclusion. Okay? That's all over. Thank you, students. One more thank you.